Do you freeze when making simple English sentences? That's the biggest reason you can't speak English confidently. Today, I'll teach you powerful daily use sentences that will help you speak English naturally and without fear. Hey everyone, welcome back to Ash English Lab. This is day 2 of our Speak English Like a Native in 7 Days Challenge. In today's lesson, you will learn basic daily speaking sentences, easy English phrases for beginners, real-life conversation practice, sentence repetition exercises. By the end of this video, you will be able to speak many basic English sentences confidently. So get ready, speak loudly, repeat after me, and let's begin. Part 1. Morning daily use sentences. Repeat after me loudly and clearly. Good morning. Wake up, please. It's time to get up. How are you this morning? I am feeling great today. Brush your teeth. Wash your face. Comb your hair. Take a shower. Get dressed quickly. Where is my towel? I need my toothbrush. The water is cold. Please bring me soap. I am getting ready. Hurry up, we are late. Make your bed. Open the curtains. Let the sunlight in. The weather is nice today. I am hungry. Let's have breakfast. What is for breakfast? I want tea, please. I would like some milk. The coffee is hot. Please pass the bread. This food is delicious. Eat slowly. Finish your breakfast. I need to go to school. I am going to work. Where are my shoes? I cannot find my bag. Take your lunch box. Don't forget your keys. Check your phone. The bus is coming. We have to leave now. Lock the door, please. Have a nice day. See you later. Take care. Drive safely. Call me when you arrive. Don't be late. Study well today. Work hard and smile. Have a wonderful morning. Let's make today amazing. You are improving every day. Just believe in yourself. Part 2. Home sentences. Repeat after me and practice daily for fluency. Open the door. Close the door. Lock the door. Unlock the door. Open the window. Close the window. Turn on the light. Turn off the light. Turn on the fan. Turn off the fan. Bring me water. I am thirsty. I am hungry. Let's eat food. Give me a glass of water. The food is ready. Wash your hands. Wash the dishes. Clean the room. I am cleaning my room. Sit down, please. Stand up, please. Come here. Go there. Wait for me. Don't go. Be careful. Listen to me. Speak slowly. Repeat again. I am at home. I am in my room. I am watching TV. I am sleeping. I am resting. I am studying. I am busy right now. I am free now. Call me. Don't disturb me. Where is my phone? Where is the remote? I can't find it. It is on the table. It is in the room. Help me, please. I need help. Everything is fine. Don't make noise. Good night. Part 3. School Office Sentences. Repeat after me and practice daily for fluency. I am going to school. I am going to the office. I am late today. Please help me. Can you explain this? I understand now. Thank you very much. May I come in? I forgot my book. Let's start the class. Please sit down. Open your notebook. Close the door, please. Write your name here. Listen carefully. Please be quiet. I have finished my work. Can I ask a question? Please repeat that again. I need a pen. Where is the teacher? The meeting starts now. Please check your email. I am attending a class. Submit your homework today. This task is easy. This question is difficult. I need more time. Please speak slowly. Let's walk together. I am ready for the test. The lesson is interesting. My boss is calling me. Please join the meeting. I am taking notes. The office is very busy today. I have an important project. Please send me the file. I will finish it soon. Can we discuss this later? The teacher is absent today. I need to print this document. Please sign here. The class is over now. Let's take a short break. I have a lot of work today. Please attend on time. See you tomorrow. Have a productive day. Keep learning and improving. Part 4. Market shopping sentences. Repeat after me and practice daily for fluency. How much is this? This is too expensive. I want to buy this. Do you have another color? Please give me 1 kilo of apples. I need some vegetables. Can I pay online? Keep the change. Show me another one. I like this dress. Where is the cashier? I need a shopping bag. Is there any discount? This size is too small. I need a bigger size. Can I try this on? Where is the fitting room? I am just looking. Do you accept cards? Please pack this for me. I need fresh bread. Give me half a kilo of rice. These shoes look nice. Do you have cheaper ones? I need a bottle of water. This fruit is fresh. I want 2 packets of milk. Please weigh these bananas. Can you lower the price? I will take this one. Where can I find sugar? I need some eggs. This shirt is beautiful. I want a red color. Do you sell toys here? Please give me the bill. I forget my wallet. Can I return this item? This product is damaged. I need a refund. What time do you close? The queue is very long. I need help choosing a gift. This shop is crowded today. I want fresh chicken. Please give me some cheese. That's all for today. Thank you for your help. Have a nice day. See you again soon. Part 5. Common daily speaking sentences. Repeat after me and practice daily for fluency. I don't know. Please say it again. I am learning English. Speak slowly, please. That's a great idea. I like this. I am tired. I need help. No problem. See you later. What happened? I understand now. Can you help me? I am busy right now. Please wait a moment. I am coming soon. Let's go together. I am very happy. Don't worry. It's okay. I am hungry. I am thirsty. Please sit down. Stand here. Open your book. Close the door. Turn on the light. Turn off the fan. Call me later. I miss you. Be careful. Hurry up. Take your time. I am ready. Are you sure? That sounds good. I feel sick. I need a rest. Congratulations! Good luck! Welcome back! Have a nice day! See you tomorrow! I agree with you. I don't think so. Excuse me? Sorry for the mistake. Thank you so much. You are welcome. Keep practicing English. Part 6, Revision Practice Session. Great job, my lovely students. Now it's time to revise all the sentences we learned today. Repeat loudly after me. Good morning. How are you? Bring me water. Open the door. How much is this? I am learning English. Please say it again. Thank you very much. Come here. See you later. Quick Fluency Challenge. Say these 3 times fast. I am learning English. Please say it again. How much is this? Excellent practice, my lovely students. You are improving every day. Keep going. Ending. Amazing work today. You have completed day 2 of your English Fluency Challenge. You are getting better every single day. Remember, practice makes progress, not perfection. Every sentence you speak is making you more confident. Don't stop here. Keep going. Day 3 is coming, and it will be even more powerful for you. Stay consistent, stay focused, and keep speaking English every day. Like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching this video from Ash English Lab.